முருகா சரணம். வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா. இன்றைய திருப்புகழ் இசை வழிபாடுல பாடல் எண் 41 or 78, song number 41 or 78 depending on the books that you're using, Parimala Galapa. This song is composed in Devagandhari Ragam and this was sung at Tiruchendur Kshetram, which is one of the 6 abodes of Lord Subramania and which is the only abode facing the sea. In this Tirupugal, Saint Arunagirinadar requests to shower the grace of Lord Murugan on the saint, as the saint is very much distracted and obsessed towards women. And further he says that, O Lord, you are the nephew of Vishnu and Lakshmi, and you are the one wearing the garland made of Kadamba flowers. You are having the spear, which is the veil, in your hand, and you are the one, the great master, worshipped by Lord Shiva, and you are the remover of all the sins, O great one, residing at Tiruchendur.
Parimala Kalaba Sugandha Chanda Dhanamana Padayama Padayana Andikum Katkadayali. Parimala Kalaba Sugandha Chanda Dhanamana Padayama Padayana Andikum Katkadayali. Variyali Neerai Mooral Kongu Kango Kuzhalale Marugidu Marulanai Inbootrun Bootrarulvaye. Variyali Neerai Mooral Kongu Kango Kuzhalale Marugidu Marulanai Inbootrun Bootrarulvaye. Aritiru Maruga Kadamba Thungal Tirumarba Alaigumu Gumuvena Vemba Kandithu Perivela. Aritiru Maruga Kadamba Thungal Tirumarba Alaigumu Gumuvena Vemba Kandithu Perivela. Tiripuradaharum Vandikum Satgurunada. Jaya Jaya Hara Hara Sindhir Kanda Perumale. Tiripuradaharum Vandikum Satgurunada. Jaya Jaya Hara Hara Sindhir Kanda Perumale. Marugidu Marulanai Inbootrun Bootrarulvaye. Jaya Jaya Hara Hara Sindhir Kanda Perumale.